दिस इज द बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट। अगर याद हो लास्ट फ्राइडे बैंक निफ्टी में हाई एक्शन दिखा था, रेड कैंडल दिखा था, मगर पॉजिटिव क्लोज था कंपेयर टू निफ्टी। निफ्टी में नेगेटिव क्लोज था, वॉल्यूम्स वर वेरी हाई इन बोथ। दिस फ्राइडे it has been almost different. निफ्टी पॉजिटिव क्लोज है, बैंक निफ्टी नेगेटिव क्लोज है, एंड वॉल्यूम्स दोनों में ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है। डल वॉल्यूम्स हैव बीन रिड्यूसिंग, but one interesting pattern it has formed is 18,100, sorry 38,100 and 37,000 के बीच में 5-6 डेज मार्केट बैंक निफ्टी ने कंसोलिडेट किया है, कंप्लीट 6-7 डेज। So once it sustains above 38,100, just extrapolate 1,200 points, we get a move all the way towards 39,100, 200, and this can be very fast. The reason being there have been series of high volumes within this range, within this minor range, and we are staring at an interesting important week ahead, which forms a quarterly and half yearly close. So if at all this 38,100 is cleared on Monday, then don't be surprised we may hit 39,000 plus within expiry, highly likely. And the view negates if 37, after crossing 38,100, the stop loss has to be 37,600. Once crossing of these highs, this candle lows can be used as a stop loss, and look for the target around 39,000 plus. My position will be, I'll be betting on 39,000 plus for the bank nifty for in this expiry, and I will be looking for a downside or pullback kind of move in a nifty. I am training a contra view, just getting bias more towards bank nifty as of now, but ultimately whatever the chart says, I will change my position size, I will change my trade direction also. So because हमेशा एक ही बोलता हूँ मैं, charts भगवान है, charts are important to us. As of now it looks like bank nifty may show some strength, but ultimately if bank nifty fails to show strength and nifty starts showing strength, we'll have to change the direction. And bank nifty looks poised to complete its monthly move, at least for a short term, since it has given an excellent monthly range breakout of 36,000 to 30,000 32,000 range, which was 4,000 points, and it is already second month it is yet to complete this range. All time high के ऊपर बैंक निफ्टी continuously 2 weeks sustain किया है. Last week का closing and this week's closing both are above all time high, although Friday close was negative, but absolute close was above this February highs. So basically there has been some strength being seen around lower levels in last week when bank nifty dipped. That's what is making me to be little biased on the bank nifty, since it has been underperforming. And one more factor to be play on a long side on a bank nifty, to bet on a long side, is HDFC Bank. The move it has created last week specifically, it is staring around a excellent breakout. अभी दिया नहीं है, 1640, once 1600 to 1640 range, once it gets clear, it is going to give a 240 to 50 points range breakout after a long 6-8 months consolidation, which means it is going to trigger targets toward 1900 plus. When one of the heavyweight of the index looks like very promising move, it can give time to be little alert to capture the move. And इसके अलावा बाकी एलिट वेव में क्या दिख रहा है विजय से जानते हैं बैंक निफ्टी के लिए.
बैंक निफ्टी ने काफी तंग किया है because correct, 2-3 महीने से लग रहा था कि 40,000 42,000 आ जाना चाहिए, but it's taking too much time. एंड जो लास्ट वीडियो में भी मैंने यही कहा था कि ये जो पूरा फॉल है, जितना टाइम इसमें लगा उससे काफी ज्यादा टाइम इसको रिकवर करने में लगा है. यस, प्राइस वाइज इट इज शोइंग वेरी पॉजिटिव साइंस, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई नया लोअर लो ऐसा कुछ बना नहीं है. Even if you look at all these lows, right, it's a rising trend. But वो जो massive breakout जो मैं expect कर रहा था वो हुआ नहीं है. And it is still leaving me guessing. मैं in fact अभी पूरा wave count भी update कर रहा था. Bullish wave count अभी भी है. This is 1, 2 and there are all these subdivisions going on. अभी तक ये एरिया भी डिफेंड किया है इसमें 34 to 85. बट इसका जो शेप है ना, दैट डजंट गिव मी टू मच कॉन्फिडेंस राइट नाउ, बिकॉज इट इज स्पेंडिंग वे टू मच टाइम इन साइडवेज एक्शन. टिपिकली बुलिश स्ट्रक्चर में आपको इस टाइप के मूव्स दिखते हैं जहाँ पे द प्राइस इज राइजिंग एट मोर देन 45 डिग्री. यहाँ पे अभी तक वो नहीं है. सो टू पॉसिबिलिटीज इन बैंक निफ्टी. One is this labeling where it's possible कि एक हमने बड़े लेवल का impulse 1 अगर यहाँ खत्म किया हमने, and this is all A, and this entire up move because it's taking lot more time, ये B हो सकता है और हम हो सकता है C wave में नीचे आए हैं, या ये पूरा एक ट्रायंगल में थोड़े महीने और वेस्ट हो जाए. इमीडिएट ट्रेडिंग व्यू क्या है अगले हफ्ते के लिए? If you look at this September 17th and Friday, ये दोनों ही equal highs हैं. Here the high was 38,112 and same 38,112. तो double top कह लो इसको, right? So depending on how the action unfolds tomorrow on Monday, one can take a trading call. अगर मैं early scale में जाऊँ, आप notice करोगे कि ये पूरा डाउन मूव के बाद अभी इसने टॉप क्लियर नहीं किया है. सो इफ इट कंटिन्यूज टू ट्रेड बिलो द 20-hour मूविंग एवरेज, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई लुक एट अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड और पुट्स with a stop loss of this. If it goes above it, then obviously the bullish trend continues. That is the way I am looking at Bank Nifty for the coming week. But monthly picture अगर देखें, right, it looks like this is a large wave 1 and wave 2, and this looks like wave 3 जो 2019 top था, and this was wave 4. So the question is, are we finishing a major wave 5 circle? ये एक सवाल है जो जिसका आंसर अभी मेरे पास नहीं है. The other way to look at it is to count it as 1, 2 and 1, 2, which means an ultra bullish leg is opening up on the upside. But ये सिर्फ speculation है. I think we should go level by level and keep updating the wave counts and see how it goes. क्योंकि अगर ये wave 5 खत्म हो गया, मतलब there is a bigger consolidation or down move that is going to happen. So for the coming week, let's just focus on the high and low of this candle. इसके ऊपर चलता है तो the bullish trend continues and we can look at bullish trades. But if it opens either below this candle or within this candle, I would look at a short-term bear trade.
So the important levels to be watched on the Bank Nifty for the coming week, as said, 38,100 on upside, 37,600 on the downside. Or we can assume 37,500 for round figure purpose. And HDFC Bank, as of now, it looks like it has given a breakout. There have been good volumes back to back, and it is giving a follow through to the high volume candle. Once it clears 1640, look for the target around 1700 plus within the expiry with a stop loss of 1600. Immediate basis 1580 until it is held 1575, 1580 is support. We can expect it to be an outperformer going ahead, and as long as HDFC starts outperforming then the possibility of Bank Nifty outperforming along with HDFC Bank increases. If we look at the relative strength charts of comparison chart of HDFC Bank and Bank Nifty. So interesting week ahead. Once again, as I have said in the starting, and we have used the tagline hyper moves ahead. Not to be surprised to see big moves. Let's see which side market throws opportunity, upside or long side. Be prepared to it and capture it. Even single day move can surprise you with some big opportunity. And don't get caught on a wrong side. Most importantly, move miss हो गया तो चलेगा, अगर wrong side में फंस गए तो capital चला जाएगा. So be alert. That's it from us. We'll be coming with some interesting view next week. Once we complete, I complete a webinar on EMA retest. जिसने अगर अभी तक रजिस्टर नहीं किया हो या किसी को इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो मेरे पिन ट्वीट में अवेलेबल है. एक मीन रिवर्सल स्ट्रेटेजी का EMA वेबिनार आ रहा है. So you can go through it. It is going to be very interesting. Couple of interesting trade ideas will be shared. Also a couple of surprises are ahead in that webinar. So do forward to your friends. Look at the details on my pin tweet and do join. If you have any queries, you can always query DM me or WhatsApp me. Thank you from us for this week.
See you on the next video.